Oh, hell. They do multiply if you get them wet. This is Jade, my new to me 70 Gremlin. First year through the Gremlin. April 1st, 1970, they were introduced. She's kind of rough, but I bought her primarily because she has a wealth of parts for Babs here, the 74 Gremlin, that I have $9 million into. But this has some decent buckets. It has the original grill in one piece. I'll show that in another video. But the dash is real nice. It's got some really nice or decent buckets. It has the 4-speed pedal assembly that I want to put in Babs, because I definitely want to put a 5-speed in one of these days. It has, the headliner's kind of roached. I was going to use that. But it has trim pieces. It's got door handles. It's got a lot of good parts. Somebody tried to restore it. They painted the engine compartment. It was a 199.6 with a 3-speed. But it's got a manual steering box. Everything's manual. This is this 199, yeah. I don't know if I have the original motor, but I have the block. That's most likely going to be scrap, because the hell wants to build a 199. But it has a lot of Jeep stuff I could sell to Jeep people, brand new cam and stuff like that. That's getting a 5.9 liter AMC, not a 199. But everybody's probably like, you're buying another project. Oh God, Bar, don't you ever learn? This is not a project. This is most likely going to be parts. But here's a short video of it. I mean, it's savable. I don't know, maybe turn it into a down and dirty gasser after I get done taking everything I want off it. I don't know. Just take it out of my hindquarters. But first and foremost, it's yielding a lot of goodies for Babs back there, the 74 Gremlin. Stay tuned.